What's up guys, welcome to my channel. As I promised in my last video, I'm gonna test out the video stabilization between your Samsung S10 Plus phone, which has a super steady, and the Hero 7 that has a gimbal like stabilization. So which one do you think is going to win in this video? Let's test it out. Alright, I'm just walking. I'm running now. You can see I'm running. So what do you think? Who's the winner? For me, I think GoPro. Although Samsung is not really far behind, I give my thumbs up to GoPro, and I really like the way both of the devices performed. Just write your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think? Which device performed better? Is that GoPro? Is that Samsung? I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you, and if it was, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.